at this point, I am going to invite, first of all, our judges to say congratulations to the team. Our judges worked hard. It was not easy. They were in panel sessions, they were in deliberations. I'm going to first of all call Dr. Dieye to say a word to the winners. Dr. Dieye, please go ahead.
Yes, thank you very much. First of all, I want to just say big congratulations to all the winners. We are also very proud of you for the effort that you put in there. Just go ahead and continue to, continue to work hard. I can guarantee you that if you continue to persevere the way that you have done in this competition, you have great engineering careers ahead of you. So congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dieye. Thank you so much. I'm also going to call right away Mr. Tosin Tomori from Cummins to say a word.
Well, congratulations to Team Koyi Hydro. We loved your presentation, and again, most importantly, it felt personal. It was something that we felt could apply to your immediate environment, something that could easily scale up. So congrats again to you, and wish you all the best. And as Dr. D said, don't give up. And for those that didn't win, you made it very, very far in this competition, and the innovation showed here is very encouraging for me, and it just shows that our future is very bright. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tomori. Thank you for serving as one of our judges. I'm going to call right away Dr. Putz. Hey, Dr. Putz is here. A word to the winners in this competition.
So, thank you so much for inviting me as a judge. It was a pleasure to go through all the submissions. In the end, it was pretty tough to decide the top places. So congratulations on everyone in the competition to make our job to select the winners really, really hard. And in the end, we felt that the localization of and scalability of Koyi Hydro was one big reason why it bubbled up to the top. And congratulations to the team. So the great idea and the great execution you've shown on that. So I'm looking forward where this goes next. And I'm looking forward where all the projects go next, because I think all of the projects have potential to go forward. And I'm very, very curious to see where all of this leads. So thank you very much.
Thank you. So right away, I'm going to call Dr. Lani.
Thanks for the excellent work you've done as an organization to encourage young graduates to show innovation in improving the country. So congratulations to all of you for your efforts, and especially the value proposition from Koyi Electric, Koyi Hydro. As Mr. Tosin said, it was that localized idea of meeting one of the key problems of the Nigerian economy, which is power supply, that actually convinced me that they have a good value proposition that can actually be implemented. So now you've got $12,000. I was hoping you're going to now have a solid business plan and actually go to develop that particular location, because there are lots of rivers across all rural areas that you can actually replicate your success if you can make Koyi system to work. You can actually go across different areas, especially looking at the Ogun River coming from Ikaregoch Dam. There are so many villages along that path that you can do the same projects and actually provide rural electrification. So we follow your progress. I'll be happy to support your efforts in any way if you will reach out. And congratulations again. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lani. Thank you. I'm called Dr. Kome Oteri.
Okay, yes. So I just want to say congratulations to all the finalists. First of all, for you to have been down selected is a great thing. Even if you didn't win, it is a good thing. It means that your idea has been validated. I also want to congratulate the winner. That you did a really good job in convincing everybody that this was a good idea to support. And I just want to, for everybody here, I just want to make sure that everybody understands that, if you look at what happens outside here, a lot of the quote unquote big companies that you see today started in the same way you had, with an idea. And based on that idea, kept on plugging at it, and it snowballed, and you have the big companies you have today. So there's nothing that says that whatever you have, what idea you have today, cannot ultimately become one of the big ideas or fundamental, or big companies in Nigeria or Africa, in the world in the future. So please remember that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Terry. Thank you. Professor Faborode is not here right now. We want to just appreciate now. I know you would have been excited. He would have been here, but it's in another event. I want to call right now the competition chair to give us a word to all the winners.
Just add to what all the other judges have said and all that's been coming in on the chat. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations to everybody. Very, very well done. It was difficult, like the judges have alluded to, coming to the last three. I mean, identifying the top three. But I think Koye Hydro stood out for everybody. And it was a bit of a toss-up between Key Trick and the Charcoal Stone. Very well done. And of course, to everybody else, all the other teams. I mean, you won prizes in one category or the other, and then a good idea, good efforts, whatever. And I'm not sure there's anybody going away from here without anything. But even if you do, even if there are, just to encourage you, one hasn't failed in one attempt. The thing is to keep persevering. The very fact that you actually decided to go for this really is, you are really on the step already. You're on that first step, and it can only get better. So well done, very well done. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Denloye. Thank you. That is from our competition chair. And I'm going to call two more people to say something. First of all, I'm going to call Mr. Ogo Ezumba. A word to the winners.
Congratulations once again, Team Koye Hydro. So I want to say you've achieved one feat and just one wrong in the ladder of success. So I will urge you not to rest on your laurels, but you should continue to strive. I'll just leave you with a word. I will say, let us keep challenging the impossible. The sky is going to be the stepping stone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So right away, I'm going to call the chairman, S2P Africa, Science to Products Africa Initiative, to give us a word to the winners. And also he's going to thank every one of us for coming out today to come and support this award ceremony. Dr. Tunde Adebola, Chairman.
Thank you very much, Dr. Adewumi. On behalf of S2P Africa Science to Product Africa Initiative, I would like to congratulate all contestants that have entered into this competition, that have qualified to be in the first top 10 positions. Like the judges have said, it was sometimes tough making distinction between two projects, but above all, the important thing for you to take away from here is that you have all done very well. You have distinguished yourselves from the rest of your peers that have not taken the step. As I said earlier on, the objective of engineering education is not to acquire the title engineer. It is empowerment to transform society. It is empowerment to make a change, to make a difference, to change the lives of people in society. It is for that reason that Science to Products Africa Initiative has set up this whole project, and in particular this training project, this competition, this engineering competition, to drive you to look in the environment and look for problems waiting for engineering solutions. And you have done so, and you have come with really, really exciting problems and innovative solutions. I want to congratulate all of you once again, but I want to congratulate in particular Koye Hydro. Your program, your project was quite exciting. Imagine, like Dr. Lani said, placing this kind of hydroelectric plant at various points all along from the beginning of the from the source of the Ogun River all the way to its emptying into the Atlantic Ocean, and providing power for villages around these settlements around the river. This is a great, 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 great achievement. Please, for all of you, keep it up. All of you, keep trying. The sky is not a limit, like it was said, it's just a stepping stone. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank our judges once again, thank our friends, thank our associates, thank everybody that has put efforts into this. For all of you young people who are in this gathering, tell your friends, tell your colleagues, get everybody involved towards next year's competition. I can promise you it's going to be bigger next year. There are going to be many more category prizes. There are going to be many more various prizes looking at various aspects of the problem of engineering in our society. So bring in more and more people, and above all, please get involved with the West African Design Exchange project, in which we seek to continue to cultivate your faculty, cultivate your capacity, cultivate your skills to deliver practical solutions to the problems in our environment. That is the objective of engineering, not to acquire the title engineer. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Adebola. So we have come to the end of this awards ceremony. And I want to just tell all the teams that will be contacting you. This is a virtual meeting. We'll be contacting you via email. Our sponsors, I'm very sure at a particular point in time, they would like to meet with you and see what you're doing in various quarters. So expect to hear from us after this meeting. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone for joining us for this award ceremony. Thank you, and goodbye.